Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Calvin Klein deals on DealSeek. To get Calvin Klein deals on DealSeek, you need to follow this step. Firstly, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down dealseek.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of the DealSeek, in the top again here, this is the search bar. You need to type down Calvin Klein, or you can also be specific about Calvin Klein jeans, Calvin Klein hoodies, and after that, simply select enter. And over here, you can browse the Calvin Klein brand listing, and DealSeek currently lists thousands of Calvin Klein deals across clothing, shoes, accessories, and fragrances. You can also filter it in the top here. In the left hand side, you can select this price range. You can filter the price range here. You can also filter the minimum discount. And in the top, there's this icon for this verified low price. You can select this, and you can also apply the promo codes in the top here. And that is it. This is how you can get Calvin Klein deals on DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.